How to get a friend request on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get friend request on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, on the bottom, you'll find the friends section. If you tap on it, you will be able to see the list of your friends. So just let it load, and there you'll also see the friend requests that you receive. Now here you'll get two options. One is to confirm, the other is to delete. If you want to add this as your friend, you can tap on confirm. If you don't, you can simply tap on delete. If you don't know who they are, you can open up the profile by tapping on the name and checking out their profile. If you think you know them, you can add them as your friend. If you want someone else to send you a friend request, you can send them a friend request first. So for that, head over to the suggestion area, and there you will be able to see the list of recommended friends where you can simply send them a friend request. You can also get friend requests like this and then tap on confirm to add that person as friends. And that's basically how you can get friend requests and also accept them on Facebook. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.